Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. In the ever-evolving world of AI image generation, two contenders stand out as frontrunners in 2024, Midjourney and Leonardo AI. Both platforms offer cutting-edge technology to create stunning visuals, but which one reigns supreme? Let's dive into a comprehensive comparison to find out. The links to Midjourney and Leonardo AI are in the description. Midjourney operates within Discord, providing a chat-based interface for users. While this setup offers quick access to prompts, it lacks the visual appeal and intuitive navigation found in Leonardo. With its own visual interface, Leonardo makes adjusting parameters and navigating generations a breeze, giving users a seamless experience. Midjourney offers various algorithms, including MJ and anime-specific options, catering to diverse artistic styles. On the other hand, Leonardo boasts a wide range of models, from origami paper art to pixel avatars, and even allows users to train their own models for ultimate customization. Additionally, Leonardo's built-in features like background removal and prompt generation add extra value to the platform. When it comes to pricing, Midjourney offers tiered plans starting from $10 per month, making it accessible to users with different budgets. Meanwhile, Leonardo currently offers a free option with daily credits, providing a cost-effective solution for users looking to explore AI image generation. Both platforms excel in generating stunning visuals across various prompts, from mystical landscapes to pet portraits. Midjourney impresses with its coherence and aesthetic quality, while Leonardo shines with its control and refinement option. However, it's worth noting that Midjourney's results are more consistent and detailed, making it ideal for quick, aesthetic creation. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.